What is up, bitches? Yeah, things are gonna be a bit wonky today. My dog is like staring at me. The very moment I started streaming and started talking, my dog was like, "You talking to me?" Nah, I ain't talking to you. I've had some interesting day in terms of trying to get things actually working. But may as well hit this update because why not? When you get annoyed of updates, you just press the update. Don't annoy me like that, boo. Alright. Alright. So, right now, let me double check what we have. I think I know what the next step is going to be. It's probably just going to be, actually pressing... Why is the window not showing? What? Wait, will it do that if I, Well... Why is the window inventory not showing? Okay, here's the create inventory and it gets added. Let me make sure this is actually being run. Zero. Alright, it's getting run. 248. So this is getting run. What the fuck? Also, let me get rid of some of these console logs. Oh, nothing in here? Alright. Is that you that extend is not a function? Huh? Core 80. Oh, right. It requires the extend function, so I need to do it after math. Okay. That fixed that. Now I just need to figure out why the item window is not generating. Alright. New window, item point and click. Active window. Let me see the details of this. Maybe the details will give me an idea of why that's not generating. Alright, let's see. Chapter running. Should be like a visible. Active true, so it's active right now. His mask is sprite. Visible true. That's a weird XY coordinate. Wait. Oh. That is the wrong one. This is the window I need to see. Console.log. that. Active faults. Wait, why is it faults? Visible true. And it's at 0, 0. Alright, there's the container. And a few sprites, but... Parent is the window layer. Which is correct. It should be on the window layer. Wait, why? Alright. There's console.log update, just to make sure it properly gets updated. The initialize is just to refresh. Wait, the only thing it does is... Huh? I am a confusion. Okay, it's being updated. 0, 0, so top corner. With a width of 808. That seems about right. Visible is true. This dot active equals true. Let's see if that changes anything. Okay, that doesn't. Why? It is active. Visible is true. Renderable is true. Pause false. Absolutely every piece of data that's on here makes it seem like it should be showing. And yet, it is not. Okay, so we create the window. We refresh it. Let's see, the back sprite. Okay, one second, let me let my dog out. Baby! No, don't lick that. No. No. Sorry about that, we back. Okay, let's transform. Okay, interact is height 0. Why is height 0? Why is inner height 0? Okay, let's figure that out, and then that will give us an idea. Let's put windows in this one. Inner height equals wait, hold up. Actually, I might want to console log that after I've done all the headers. There's something I need to check really quick. It could be that the point and click. Why is the height set to 32 with a bunch of dashes? Inventory item height. What? How did that happen? That might be the entirety of what was going wrong. Yeah, it was. Alright, and now it's not drawing the items anymore. Console.log. Okay, we'll get rid of you. We will check item. And then make item lists. Console.log this.data. We'll see if that does any good. Okay, this is the orb that should be in the item, and it is not being added. If item.pnc use icon. Oh wait, I think it's because of the change I made to the generation. Console.log 0. And this should be at startup. Nothing happened. So yeah, this doesn't get run at all. So this is a core script issue. Header parsing. Database note reader. This is the section we need to focus on right now. Oh yeah, I do need to fix this. I fixed this because this was causing an issue before. So I need to change the format slightly. Okay. Is that you.node? Console.log arguments. Let's see what gets called when we run it for sanity checking. Alright. It shows item. Wait, why is plug-in an object? Got note. So just actually, yeah, I don't even actually need to put the namespace here. Do I? Namespace can actually get pushed. Watch that fix the entirety of the issue. Oh, look, it ran twice. That might have fixed the entirety of the issue. It did. God bless. Obtained Pink P, and it's there. Hells yeah, we debugged it. What? No. Delete you, delete you. Alright. With that, so that works. We need to start working on the cursor script. So that when we click this item, alright. Also, is there a left click? Touch input. RPG Maker MZ touch input right click. Touch input is canceled. Okay, there is a right mouse button thing is canceled. Right. And we probably should put this as a scene-based thing so that we can reuse this in the map. I think. Wait, what's the sub class? Might be scene message. Might be better. Yeah, I think scene message is definitely the way to go for this because of the fact that blah, 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 blah. Does that make sense? Alright. So, region, scene, base. End region. Yeah, I feel like this, I could make this just a required script. What did I do to set optional? Let me check the header parsing. Namespace to optional slash plugin. So I say if Zatu point and click dot optional Zatu MZ cursor. I think that's what thing. Thing RFM boy? Either congratulations or I'm so sorry, depending on your take on that. There's no in between on that. Either F's or W's in the chat. Okay, so I think that's how we have to do it based on how the... I don't know, I've seen stuff on Reddit. Also depends on what part of Reddit you're on. There's a dark side to Reddit. I'm just gonna put my OCD semicolons on. Okay, so if we have the cursor scripts, the bad side. Okay, no F's. The dark side of Reddit, where no man goes before. I need to figure out how to make this work. Let's go ahead and add cursor. Put it here. Let's just reset this and see what we get from that. Wait, it didn't even console log. Wait, what? It is enabled, right? Cursor script. I have to get in play. What do you mean? Being a femboy and being trans is not the same thing, though. You don't need to do shit to be a femboy. People keep understanding the difference between trans and femboy. Femboy is just what your body type is, having the feminine form. Not the actual being trans part. I don't know why people misunderstand that. Femboy does not mean you identify as a woman. Okay. I guess it's loaded now. Alright, CSS style sheet. How do I create a new CSS style sheet to add to this? Because right now, it by default uses this one. But I want a new one. JS create CSS style sheet. Is that 3 S's? Yeah, it is. Can I dynamically create a CSS object and insert it? There's a proposal that makes it possible. Okay. Style sheet equals replace sync. Interesting. Alright, let's see if this works. Okay. Disable cursor equals new CSS style sheet. I had to make sure there was enough S's there. Or the right amount. And for this, we just need it to be cursor none. As my dog stares at me. Hey, baby. Okay. And based on what... Cora! Sorry, my dog is... Cora, please. Nope. No puppy biting. No? Okay, you're going to your cage. Come here. Come here. Come here, baby. You're being too aggressive. Come here. Come on. Cora, come. Cora, come. Yeah, once he starts getting bitey, I have to put him in his cage for a bit. His little timeout. Actually, instead of putting it here, I can put it to z2.cursor.disable style. Then push that. Let's see if this works. Because what I was doing before was not working. Style sheet is not defined. Oh, right. I have to replace that. Can I add property 0 object is not extensible? Cursor line 20. Okay, we'll just make it equal to that then. There we go! My cursor is disabled within the thing. Nice. Ba-da-bow, ba-dow. Alright. Let's create our base. I think I added some defaults. Open folder, image, system, new folder, system. Oh, cursor. Default. Inspect. Interact. So we're gonna... Let's go ahead and just add a script to add that into there. So... Default... Cursor... Default... Cursor... At param... Cursor image... Struct... Cursor... Struct... Cursor... Alright, cursor image, text image, type directory at, well, I think it's directory, wait. Oh, it's file and then there's directory as an, okay. File, directory, system / cursor. At param ox type text x offset type number at default 0. Now do the same thing for y. I'm sorry. Oh, y. Y offset. Number default 0. I think that's all I need for the cursor type. At param Alright. Actually, I don't need a name for the thing because I can just make it so that you just specify the name as the file. So I think that's probably fine as it do be. Does this look right? That's enough spaces. Alright. So I go to cursor script. Default cursor. I did set that up correctly, right? It's type struct cursor. Struct type name. Oh, I have to put colon here. Right. The colon always messes me up. Why? For selecting file or image. Okay. How? Oh, I think I have to say IMG, don't I? IMG / system / cursor. I think that's what I'm missing. Oh, what? They do some sort of weird thing. Hello! I watched a silly video from South Park and YouTube recommended your live. What's the live about? I am currently making a script. I'm doing some programming. In RPG Maker MV, or MZ. Basically, I'm just creating a script that will allow players to make their own point-and-click adventures. Right now, I'm just working on a more, the cursor part of things. So that people can specify their own cursors for the script. So, but we're just doing low energy, chill software development. Okay, so we have this. We've replaced the style sheet and added it to the adopted. Do we have everything we need on that? Yeah, I think that's good. So we just need to go ahead and make the sprite for the cursor. Alright, so region, sprite, cursor. And region. And I need to do this soonish because I'm not going to be able to see shit as soon as the thing is. Because my mouse will disappear as soon as I'm in the window. Now that we've enabled the disablement. Yep, no mouse inside of the window. So that's the first part. What's the sprite base? Tremendous, I didn't watch this. I barely know a little English, so if I don't speak much. Oh, yeah. That's perfectly fine. Thank you for stopping by. Game sprite? Which window has the game sprites in it? Game sprite. Oh, wait, no, I think sprite is its own super. Where are you? Sprites. Yeah, it's its own file. That's right. Alright, sprite clickable. Wait, clickable is its own, type of sprite? Okay, interesting. I might have to change some things up. I didn't even know that existed. Because I have the game point and click object, which creates the bitmap. I probably should have a sprite for it, and then make it the sprite clickable. Okay, once I finish the cursor script, I need to change that. Sprite button. Let me, like, collapse everything and see. Actor, enemy, animation. Okay. Interesting. Alright. Sprite, cursor. And then we just go ahead and set up the inheritance. Prototype is equal to object.create sprite.prototype. Sprite cursor.prototype.constructor. Alright. So that's that part's set up. Okay. Let me make sure console.log. Let me make sure the parameters actually has the file path as cursor/default. So cursor/default. Yeah, it does. Just wanted to double check on that. So let's go ahead and get the initialize on. Do they usually set the bitmap here, or do they set the bitmap elsewhere? Actually, sprite clickable is a base function. I don't need to look at that. Set character. Okay, there's set character and update bitmap. Okay. This dot set cursor Zetu dot cursor dot is it default? What was it again? What did I name it? Oh wait, I can literally just look up to find it. Cursor default cursor image. Oh, sprite cursor. Alright. Okay, I left for a moment. I was in. Oh, allergies, yeah. I don't know much about allergies. Alright. If this dot cursor changed. Let's go ahead and put the script to see if the cursor has changed. so that we don't forget. So, if this dot cursor name, or dot name, Okay, so if this dot name is equal to name return. I actually don't need anything more than that. That's just a check to say, hey, if it's already the current cursor, we don't need to do anything. So now we just continue it. Yo! How's it going? Can I ask a question? Because I'm new to the channel out of curiosity. I started watching the channel and realized, yeah, you haven't uploaded video. You mean like actual YouTube videos? Because that's mostly just been live. It's mostly because of how scuffed are you? Not as scuffed as I was expecting. Just to be honest. Like, yeah, I haven't uploaded in like a year, but that's mostly because of my ability to upload versus the... Because I have to, like, figure things out. I mean, look. 93 views, 56 views, 48 views, 113 views. If I were to do something, I have to do that. Oh god, another person. Yeah. Just YouTube and Twitch chatting with each other now. We have 3 people here. 2 on YouTube and 1 on Twitch. Hells yeah. Yeah, but basically, it's basically sunk costs. Because here's the thing. I'm a part-time streamer. I have a full-time job. If I did not have a full-time job, I would be pumping YouTube videos in those 8 hours a day I'd get back. So that's the biggest one. YouTube... Fair. Fair, burb. I just now realized my dog is just showing you his full junk right now. He's just over there just laying it out. And this dot bitmap equals image... Is it image manager? Image manager dot system bitmap gets bitmap. Oh, load system. Okay, it's load system. Image manager dot load system name. What am I doing? I am creating a point-and-click adventure engine for RPG Maker MZ. Because right now there's not that much support. I couldn't find a single thing for it. So I'm making my own so that people can make their own point-and-click adventures in the game. Once I enter a random link at YouTube, it ended up in Italian. YouTube can be crazy. Okay, now we just need to add the sprite to the default scene. Actually, we need to get an update. Sprite cursor dot prototype dot update. Sprite cursor dot prototype dot update position. Fanboys and coding, is there anything more obvious? I mean, I've heard about the path and the... I've seen the pipeline. And I cannot deny it. This dot x equals... We're not going to worry about the OX and OY yet. Let's just worry about X straight up. So this dot X is equal to touch dot X? I know I use it here. Touch dot. Oh wait, I think I have it actually on my, thing over here. What do I have 2 windows for that? Where's the core script? Spaghetti and baguettes. You know what? I'm fine with it. Give me all your baguettes. I think it was over window base, touch X, touch input.x. It was touch input.x. This dot y is equal to touch input.y. Why are you coding? Oh, what? Do you want me to have existential crisis? What did the Cyberpunk redeem do? Well, there is one way to find out what that redeem does. Just type like cum or something in there and redeem it. I think it works. Full send it. Yeah, that. Did it completely work? Wait. I don't think there was any issues with that. Hells yeah. Once in a shabby house and a window ceiling left. What? Okay, that's a scary situation. Okay, we just need to make sure that it gets full sent on the scene layer. Scene base. Bird puppies. I don't know what bird puppies is supposed to mean. Alright. Region, scene, base. We're gonna go ahead and scene base that create. Stage.prototype. Okay, scene base looks a little weird, but I think this is fine. Start. What calls start? I think it's on create that I need to worry about. Okay, this dot initialize. Scene bait boot dot prototype equals object to create scene base dot prototype. Scene boot dot create. Okay, I think it is create that I need to do on this. So, scene base dot prototype dot create equals function. Alright. So we have scene base create equals the prototype here. I'm making VTuber. Nice. Oh, you're an artist making VTubers right now? Yeah, it does kind of sound a little bit wonky. I hate doing hair. Better than doing hands. Hands are the worst. Actually, do I have the... That's so sweet. It's just like... Okay. I don't know why I need to pull that up, but... Yeah, I am gonna sometimes interlace this with a little bit of pixel art. Because this is me making myself. So, it's not gonna be entirely coding. Although I do need to change some of the stuff. To be fair, passenger are pretty rabies prone. Yeah, I think that's half of the reason for a lot of the fear of bats. Not just because they fly and are fast, but some rabies are no joke. Alright, so we do the apply here. Actually, are sprites even... Okay, there's the back sprites. Okay, scene title. Okay, scenes can add childs to get sprites, and I assume that the upload date happens from there. This dot create cursor. That is incorrect. Scene base dot prototype dot create cursor. Okay, we create a sprite cursor. It should have the default. Okay. And then this dot add child. That seems fine. Alright, let's do a playtest and see if this works. If I could see, instead of the lovely me cursor, we see a cursor. Cannot set property parent ID of undefined. Parent ID of undefined? What? Alright, let me see here. It happens at 49, which is add child. Is there something I have to keep in mind before adding a child? Let's see what the first instance of add child is. Scene based add child. Window layer. Do I need to put it in window layer? Is that the thing I need to change? Alright. Cannot read add child of undefined. Oh wait, maybe window layer hasn't been created yet. When does add window get created? Wait. Alright, create window layer. Isn't necessarily defaulted. Okay, maybe I just need to do this after create window layer. So that every scene that has a window layer also has this. Alright, well that fix it. Motherfucker. Alright. Try it again! Cannot set property parent ID of undefined. Where is parent ID coming from? Parent ID. It's entirely inside of Pixiv? I'm sorry, VTuber. I just read a few minutes. Could you say... Pink cheese, gringos. I don't get it. But I seriously don't get it. What was that supposed to mean? Is it supposed to be like gringos as in like the gringo? Like people gringo? I don't get the pink cheese part though. Da 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 da. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to add all the pics of stuff manually. Which is gonna suck. Let me make sure that nothing errors if I do this. Correct. There's no cursor, but it's correct. Does scene base have an update? I mean, I assume it does. Const. ZU cursor. Scene base. update equals scene base prototype update. And then we just put the apply here. You just got told now. I'll try to explain what the hell. Look. Do I have to know Spanish to understand? If you can explain the pink cheese part, I think I got the second half. Because I know what the word gringo means. Alright. This dot update sprite. Espanol. What about Espanol? What? Ah? I am at least one confusion. Alright. Cannot read position of the undefined. Cursor 87. What? Console.log. This touch input. What's undefined about this? Let's find out. Alright, we have sprite cursor. Okay. Can't read position of undefined at sprite cursor that get what? That makes like no sense to me. Oh wait. Too many windows. Right, sprites. This dot X. Should be fine. Is it touch input that's the problem? Let's see if touch input's the problem. No, it isn't, because it came back to 0. So why can't I set this to 0? Can I just update to be 50-50? Now I realize I'm doing it, but what is this game about? So I wanted to say that your clothes look cool. What is the game about? I'm not making a game, I'm making a script. I'm making a script that allows people to make point-and-click games. I eventually want to make a game based on my VTuber lore, but I'm making just a base script that anyone can use to make a point-and-click. If that makes any sense. So I'm making the engine, not the game itself. Alright, cursor 88. Up. Okay, cursor set pixie 7. Let me see what that pixie is. That might give me an idea of what's going on. Libraries, pixie. And the line number is 7595. So when setting X, it's this.transform.position.x. And the error says cannot read position, which means it doesn't have transform. When does transform get set then? This.transform equals. Display object. Get local bounds. So wait, there's something that's supposed to set the transform that I apparently don't see. I forgot everything I did in Duolingo. Oh wait, you slacking on Duolingo? Is there going to be a bird with a baseball bat coming over to break your kneecaps? There's so many properties here that it's supposed to have that it's not. That is weird. Okay. Let me take a look at some of the other things. Nico kneecaps, yeah. That's mostly if you neglect doing the Japanese Duolingo. Then they'll break your Nico kneecaps. Okay. What am I missing here that allows for X? Sprite character this.x. It looks like it should be normal if I'm looking at it. Alright, we create the prototype. Sprite cursor. Okay, this looks correct. This looks correct. Initialize. Oh, I'm missing this line. I think this line right here is what I was missing. that sets up the transforms and everything. Yep, there it is. Alright, and I can't see my cursor inside the game right now because I've already disabled it. Okay. That also explains why it didn't have that many properties when I was inspecting it. Let's look at the properties now. Okay. Is mass fault? Is sprite true? Is bitmap? Bitmap is undefined. Yeah, we need to set the bitmap. Oh, it's this underscore bitmap is what I need to set. Okay, let's do that. Sorry, nothing to see, but as I've done things, I put an egg in a microwave for 1 minute and it exploded. Oof. Yeah, you have to be careful, because here's the thing. You have to know how microwaves work. Microwaves do not heat food. They spin molecules. And that's half the reason why explosions happens. Because a lot of people think that microwave just heats food. No, it spins molecules. And when they spin the molecules, it does molecular friction as those molecules are rubbing against each other. And if you have something that's a liquid and spins fast, like egg yolk, and something that's a solid that can't spin at all, like, you know, the eggshell, that means that the egg yolk is heating up, but the shell isn't. And that change in heat is not good. Sounds gay? Yeah. I know how microwaves work. I'm a higher life form. Is this visible at all? Wait, why is bitmap undefined? Do you know how magnets work? Oh, fuck. No one knows how magnets works. Magnets are a myth. I love the magnets meme. That's honestly one of my favorites. Best part is I started cleaning the microwave, and I had to clean the floor because some piece of egg fell out, wasting away most. Okay. It should be visible. Wait, did that function not get called? Set cursor. Oh, wait. I don't need this anymore. Wait, I don't even have a cursor changed. Why did it not error? That should have just been a straight up error. Why did the game just allow itself to be? Okay, hold up. Console.log name. Console.log this. Undefined? What do you mean undefined? Undefined my ass. Alright. Object, cursor, default cursor, cursor image. Alright. You know what? I'm just gonna make things easier and just have a single default cursor variable. Okay. F5. Alright. Sprite cursor gets called. Bitmap is set. Ayo. It comes from image.system cursor default.png. That's correct. X 50/50. Do I need a bounds rect? Thank you. My cousin's schoolmate spurred the damn chair. Is there any context, or was this just straight up vandalism? Were they just like, hey, fuck this chair in particular? Okay. Let me see where some people put these sprites directly in. This .character sprites is in a sprite sheet. Are you gonna be good, or are you gonna puppy bite me? I love you. Aw. Okay, he's gonna be good. Yeah, he's still in his puppy biting phase at 6 months. So whenever he wants to play, he's like, I'm gonna put my teeth on you. I'm like, no. Hopefully he gets the idea that he's like, wait, putting my teeth on him is not good? Alright. Well, now he's just laying on my feet now. I can't move. I'm paralyzed. Alright. Okay, where do sprite sets actually get defined, though? Sprite set. Okay. There's no way I can't find... Let me check scenes. I think the search function is a bit weird. Sprite set... Scene map.create sprite set. I'm trying to think... There has to be other ways that sprites get shown. Other than a full-on sprite set. Sprite button. Sprite character, that's a map thing. Sprite battler. What the heck? Hold on. Scene base. Scale sprite. Center sprite. Okay, let's just go through these. This dot back sprite equals new sprite. Okay. Back sprite might give me an idea of what I need to do. It says it adds it as a child. But maybe adding it as a child actually is what we need to do. This dot add child. Because last time I checked it. Oh, wait. This dot add child. This dot cursor. Because I didn't have the proper initialization when I did this last time. And that's why it was failing. Okay, I do not see... Oh, actually, wait. To be fair... It should have been created per scene, but it's only been created once. Scene manager. One second. Scene manager. Wait. Wait, scene manager equals. Wait, why isn't it? I'm not seeing scene manager. Okay. Okay, there's a scene property. Cool route. Okay, I need to walk my dog. I will be right back. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. My doggo is roaming. Okay. Okay, scene is definitely the scene itself and not... go to exit, clear stack. Let's actually check to see what the current scene is. I don't know, but I do know for a fact that... Oh, it's happening after create window layer. Maybe I just console log this here and see what scene it is. That might give me the current scene. Scene map. Yeah, okay, that's correct. Clara, down. Clara, down, please. Calm down. My dog is telling me it's playtime right now. It's not playtime. It's the evening. It's we need to get ready for eats time. Yeah, my dog is a little cooped up because of the hurricane. We're in a hurricane right now, and baby, the only thing I could do with him is take him outside long enough for him to pee and bring him back in because of how much rain there's been. I can't take him for walks or play with him outside. So that's been a bit rough. He's got way too much energy for me to handle. What are we doing? No treats! I know when he wants treats because he does the handshake motion. He gives me his paw to shake, and I'm like, no. That's not... I didn't ask for a shake. You get treats when I ask for it. I love you. He's like, why aren't you giving me treats? I gave him a treat right before we even started stream 2. And one of the bigger ones, not the small training ones. Okay. So, any scene that has window layer should have a cursor. So, the splash screen will not have it. But the title screen and the... title screen and map screen and battle screen all should have the thing. Let me see if the bounce is actually set, though. It should be based on, let me see. Spry ID, suitable children. Parent scene map. Yeah. Visible true. Yeah, because if I go to scene and say new sprite, what is this? New sprite, set the bitmap, which the bitmap is actually being set here. So it has the bitmap set. Wait, why does it not have the... Wait. This dot cursor dot bitmap. I think it's an accessor thing. So doing this should give me the bitmap. If it doesn't, then that's probably the problem. That's correct, it gives you the bitmap. Height, 24. It has dimensions of 24 by 24. It is loaded. And I'm saying the 50-50 just so that, it actually, shows. Does the canvas in context? Maybe I should say a console log of a different sprite. Scene title. Okay, so the only sprites that are added directly is back sprite, background sprite, and scene game over's back sprite. What scene actually... One second. Create window layer. Which is in create. I honestly think I should remove this to make it just create. Which will expose it to everything. Coro. I know you want to play. He's like, get off the computer and play. Hey, you want your toy? Come on, get it. Nibble it. Devour the squeaky turkey. Devour the creature that's made of foam or whatever the fuck squeak toys are made out of. Eat the plush creature. Nom 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 nom. Come on. Get it. Yes. Yes, play with it. Devour and become strong. Whenever I see a new sprite, the only thing I see is that they create the sprite, they set it a bitmap, and add it as a child. Create the cursor, it gets the bitmap, and it's added as a child. What am I missing here? Coro, stop. No, it's Coro, stop. Stop. No, it's crazy. Baby. Calm down. You're too hyper for this late at night. Yeah, I guess this is gonna have to be a short stream today because my dog... Again, I'm in the middle of a hurricane and my dog is cooped up. And my dog is showing how cooped up he is by being angsty all the time and He's so hyper and I can't get rid of his energy. And my light just flickered. As if on cue. So, because I did a short stream today, I'm going to continue this tomorrow. At the normal time. There's some OBS issues that I need to fix before anything else. But yeah. I guess I'll see you all tomorrow. Who the fuck do I raid? Oh, Paper Mario. Yeah, okay. Let's raid here. So I will see you all later. Ow! 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 Koro! Koro, get your teeth off. No. No! And ow, 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 ow! I need to get his nails trimmed as well. When he jumps on me, it hurts. But I'll see y'all later. Have a great one. Bye-bye.